In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Visual Studio theme. Changing your theme is a quick and easy way to make Visual Studio more comfortable for your eyes and better suited to your personal style. Whether you prefer a dark background for late night coding or a light, clean look during the day, adjusting the theme can really improve your overall experience. First, make sure Visual Studio is open on your computer. You can have any project or even just the start window open. It doesn't matter for this process. What we're focusing on is the main Visual Studio window, especially the area around the bottom of the screen. Look toward the bottom of the Visual Studio interface and find the settings icon. This is usually represented by a small gear symbol. It might be near the status bar or in a section where other quick options appear. Take a moment to hover your mouse around that area until you see the gear-shaped icon that indicates settings. Once you've found the settings icon, click on it. This opens a small menu or panel with several configuration options. From here, you want to look specifically for the option labeled Themes. Depending on your version of Visual Studio, this might be clearly visible as Themes, or inside a section like Appearance or Personalization. The wording can vary slightly, but it will clearly refer to themes or color themes. Click on Themes to open the theme selection area. Now you'll see a list of available themes such as light, dark, blue, or other custom color schemes that Visual Studio provides. At this stage, simply follow the prompts you see on the screen. Usually, this means clicking on the theme you want to preview or apply, and then confirming your choice if Visual Studio asks you to. After you select a theme, Visual Studio may take a moment to apply the new look. You'll see the background colors, text colors, and overall interface style update to match your selection. If you don't like the result, you can repeat the same steps. Click the settings icon, choose themes, and select a different one until you find the style that feels right for you. And that's all there is to it.